How long does it take for a Whirlpool refrigerator to reset?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a question that many Whirlpool refrigerator users have. How long does it take for a Whirlpool refrigerator to reset? Knowing how to properly reset your refrigerator can help solve minor issues and ensure your appliance continues to perform at its best. So let's dive into it.
Why might you need to reset your Whirlpool refrigerator?
Before we delve into the steps for resetting your Whirlpool refrigerator, it's important to understand why you might need to do so. Sometimes, your refrigerator might experience some minor technical glitches, such as problems with the cooling system, the ice maker, or the water dispenser. Other times, your refrigerator might just need a bit of a refresh. Whatever the case may be, resetting your refrigerator can often solve these minor issues, and it's a simple process that you can do on your own.
How long does the reset process take?
Now, let's address the main question. How long does it take for a Whirlpool refrigerator to reset? The actual reset process is quite quick. In general, it should take about 10 to 20 seconds for the refrigerator to reset. However, keep in mind that it may take up to 24 hours for the refrigerator to return to its optimal functioning temperature once it has been reset. This time allows the appliance to cool back down to its set temperature after the power has been off.
How do you reset a Whirlpool refrigerator?
Here are the general steps you should follow to reset your Whirlpool refrigerator. 1. Locate the power cord of your refrigerator. It should be plugged into a wall outlet in your home. 2. Unplug the refrigerator. This action essentially cuts off the power supply to the refrigerator, initiating the reset process. 3. Wait for about 10 to 20 seconds. This duration allows the refrigerator system to fully reset. 4. Plug the refrigerator back in. This action restores the power supply, completing the reset process. It's important to note that these steps are generalized, and the exact process may vary slightly based on your specific refrigerator model. And there you have it, folks. Resetting your Whirlpool refrigerator is a straightforward process that doesn't take much time at all, only about 10 to 20 seconds. Just remember that it may take up to 24 hours for your refrigerator to return to its optimal temperature. We hope this guide has been helpful, and as always, remember to consult your user manual or contact a professional if you encounter any significant issues. Thanks for watching, and stay cool.